Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim instructs authorities to pursue those who attacked a PTV reporter and cameraman. Noel Perfecto reports.
Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim today ordered Station 8 Commander Amante Daro to hunt down and file appropriate charges against 5 to 10 unidentified men who ganged up and mauled 2 members of the government television network's news edition. Bernard Tan and Dante Morada of PTV4 News Center were news gathering for the network's early morning newscast when the incident occurred at 1:30 in the morning last Thursday at the corner of V. Mapa and Valenzuela Streets, Bacolod, Santa Mesa, Manila.
I-round up mo lahat yung mga tricycle drivers doon. Lahat dali mo sa presinto at isa-isa tanungin nyo, sino yung nanggulpi kahapon ng madaling araw? Dahil pag hindi ka mo nila sinabi, hindi na sila pwedeng makumuha ng pasahero.
Lim said the suspect should be held liable for stoning Tan and Morada and for damaging the government-owned vehicle used by the 2.
Sabi mo sa investigador, pag-iwa-hiwalayin. Kasi kung magkakasama, hindi magsasalita yun. Yun ang kailan. Tapos, pag nakuha ninyo kung sinong identities, saan ang bahay, ready na ninyo. Kahapon lang ito ng kailan ma-arresto ito.
Tan sustained a large wound on his left arm, while Morada's head was injured when they were struck by a large stone hurled by the suspects. According to Tan and Morada, they can identify the suspects through the latter's haircut and earrings.
Tumatawid yung mga news reporter ng Channel 4. May tumatawid na mga 6 o 7 mga, alam mo na, yung mga standby doon. Yung mga parang hippies, yung mga buhok pa kung ano-anong korte. Bumisina sila. Nagalit. Pinalo yung hood ng sasakyan. Siyempre, yung driver bababa. Ayun, ginulpi na.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.